is former Prime Minister Imran Khan. Sir, thank you very much for joining the program. First of all, your reaction to the government deciding to ban rallies just as your supporters were taking to the streets.
Well, just to give you the background, the Supreme Court asked the President of Pakistan to fix an election date. That date is fixed for the 30th of April, so which means 50 days left. So my party decided to do an election, open our election campaign by a rally in Lahore today. The police had given us permission. They had approved the route of the rally. And suddenly this morning, the permission was taken away, but not just taken away. We had these heavy contingents of police, and these people coming to attend a peaceful rally were hit with tear gas shells, water cannon with some chemical in it, which people are still recovering from. And then police just charging these protesters, breaking their cars, and so many people got injured. But one, Bilal, this guy was killed in police custody.